Welcome to Make It March. This is the brainchild of Lisa from SuttonsDaze, and we have 8 channels in this collaboration, and they are trying to inspire you to can and then make it your supper or your dessert or your side dish with what you can. And every day in March there will be a new video to inspire you.
Don't forget, be sure you watch every single Make It March video and comment on each one, because then you'll be qualified to win one of the 3 great prizes. Lisa is giving away a Presto pressure canner, and our friends at 4 Jars have made up 2 gift baskets, one of which includes a $100 Visa gift card and the other one includes a $50 Visa gift card. So watch all the videos and comment.
The channels in this collaboration are Lisa from SuttonsDaze, Linda from Linda's Pantry, the other Linda from Lou Creates, Anna from the Fermented Homestead, Tiffany from Hamakua Homestead, Renee from Pike Creek Farm, and Michael and Jenny Pratt from the Pratt Homestead, and me, Prepper Potpourri. So today I thought I'd make an easy dessert. It's great anytime, but especially in the summer. I'll give you a sneak peek. Oh, doesn't that look good? That's right. We're going to make Jammin ice cream. This is so simple. You only need 3 ingredients. You want sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups heavy whipping cream, and you want it this nice and cold. And then whatever jam preserves you're using. In this case, mine is apple butter. This is one of them where I put in the thing and forget to put in the year. But anyway, I remember when I canned it. But we are going to make some caramel apple ice cream. Gosh, doesn't that sound good? Take off the top. Ooh, nice pop. Here's caramel apple butter, which is great on toast or to make other desserts. Really like this recipe. Okay. Now we'll open our sweetened condensed milk. Always looks so rich and creamy. Okay, throw a little bit more in there. I want to get it all out. Okay, that looks good. Now let's mix this up. Get it all in. I'm going to turn that condensed milk into a warm tan color. Oh, I can smell the apples and the spices. It smells so good. Okay, now we're just going to leave this here a minute. Go on to our next step. So I put my mixer bowl in the freezer so it's really nice and cold. And our whipping cream is straight out of the refrigerator. Now I find just putting a pinch of salt in this is a good idea. Okay, now we're going to keep on beating this until we get stiff peaks. Okay, can you see that? Nice stiff peak. Holds on. Yep, we're ready for the next step. Mix this in. And you could do it in the mixer, but just as easy to fold it in here.
pour it in our pans. These pans are just a little bit smaller than the 9x5 loaf pan, so I'm just going to put it in 2. But it's fine to put it in just 1 pan also. Okay, just put a little bit more in here. And right now it's pretty, soft whip feeling when you add that in, but it will change in the freezer. There you go. Now what do we do with this? Well, that's right. Oh, that's going to be a great ice cream flavor. Now I'm going to take my second half pint. I'm going to take it out like this. Put some on top. So I want about half a jar in here. And half a jar in the other one. Maybe just a little more. Okay. There we go. Now I'm just swirling it in. So we'll have a little bit of a swirl. Now let's pop this into the freezer for at least 5 hours. Okay, let's scoop some out. Oh, doesn't that look good? Okay. Now the taste test. Okay, now for my favorite part. I can really taste the apple. Very rich. This is really, really good, especially with swirling in that other half pint. I'm just gonna have one more bite while I'm waiting here. Just one more. So good and so easy to make. Now, you could have made this also with, let's say, peach preserves or even peach slices or blueberries or strawberries. I mean, you get the idea. You can use a lot of your jams and fruits and preserves making unique ice cream for your family. It's a lot of fun and it's so easy. So I hope you like this Make It Make video and you try making some Jammin ice cream. Until next Monday when I post another Make It video, have a great week and be canning. I invite you, check out this next video. It has a lot of great water bath canning recipes.